Home Remedies presents
the new hair hack, baking soda shampoo. Today I'm here to tell you about the new hair hack I have been following for a month now. First of all, it is the perfect product for people with dry scalp. You see, shampoo strips your hair of all its natural oils, encouraging your scalp to produce too much oil. But baking soda gently balances out your pH levels instead, and your scalp learns to produce just the right amount of oil. I must admit, your new shampoo doesn't have to only be baking soda and water. When I started using it, within a week the flakes were starting to go away. I saw less dandruff and my scalp wasn't itchy anymore. 2 weeks later, I could tell a big difference with the texture. There was so much less grease and a lot more healthy shine. So now I'm here to try to convince you. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. You will need baking soda 1 part, water 3 parts, castor oil 10 to 15 drops, lemon juice 2 tablespoons if you are prone to dandruff. Process: I suggest making a bigger batch and store in a shampoo bottle. That is empty shampoo bottle, of course. Pour the mixture evenly on your scalp and hair. Massage it in and leave it on for 3 minutes. Rinse it out with cold water. Find the frequency that works for you the best. Try it out for yourself and share your comments with me.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.